Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 11 practical, that is accounting. Now everybody knows that we require accounting in day-to-day life. Through that we can insert the vouchers, we can create the company, we can create the ledgers and we can make the entry of all the transactions. Always accounts has two sides, one is credit side and one is debit side. So in the 11th standard, the same practical we are going to see. Now see what is the practicals. It is skill set 4 accounting package. In this skill oriented practical, we have the use of accounting package to create a company. We are going to use Tally 9.0 ERP package. Here they have mentioned the company name, that is BB Enterprise. Then case is uppercase letter, company type is profit making. The financial year starts from 1/4/2009, that is, it always starts from 1st of April of current year and ends on 31st March of next year. Then use the GNU Khata for accounting only as they have given, but we are going to use the Tally ERP9 software. Create profile with relevant data for any company and create admin account for the company. So this is the assignment which we are going to see. To start with this, we will open Tally ERP9. The icon will be placed on the desktop. Just double click on this icon, then it will open the Tally software. Now here, just maximize the screen and we will see the work in educational mode. So you have to click on work in educational mode option. Now here already one company is present. This is the screen of Tally ERP9 software where the screen is divided into three parts. The first part is gateway of Tally, second part is calculator and third part is button panel. Now whenever we create a company, all the details of the company we can able to see over here on the left pane and gateway of Tally we can able to see on the right pane. Now as per the assignment we have to create a new company. So for that purpose just click on the company info menu and in that the option is create company option. See students, if the company is already present then you have to just click on the company info menu. Click on create company option. Now here start creating the company. BB Enterprises is the name of the company. The mailing name will be same. Address you can write to 1025 Juhu, Mumbai 01. So any address you can write over here. If it is strictly mentioned in the slip, then same address you have to enter. Country name is India. State name is Maharashtra. So enter Maharashtra over here. Pin code 400001. Now phone number as it starts with 022. Mumbai's STD code starts with 022 followed by any number. Give the mobile number also. Fax number again start with the STD code. So enter the STD code first and the number. Then email bbenterprises@gmail.com. Website www.bbenterprises.com. Okay. Now here the financial year which they have mentioned is 1/4/2019, which ends on 31st March of 2020. The books beginning from means the voucher entry date, on which date you will start entering the transaction. That date will be your books beginning date. Then don't give any password over here. The base currency symbol will be the formal name INR Indian rupees, and here don't make any changes in the base currency information. Now remember, when the all information you will enter, then here you have to click on accept to yes. After that your company gets created, that is BB Enterprise. Now here on the left hand side you can see the BB Enterprise company is created. Just press escape to come out of it. From the Tally, if you want to come out of any of the screen, then just press the escape key. Now we will see in this how to create the ledgers. Go to the accounts info menu ledgers. Now by default, two ledgers are created. One is cash account and one is profit and loss account. Always remember this. Press escape. Now create the two ledgers. Simple ledgers, we will see how to create it. The first ledger is purchase account, which goes under purchase account. Don't make anything over here and just press Y to accept it. Second ledger we will create at sales account. Now here there is under group. Total Tally provides you 28 predefined groups. Out of 15 are primary and 13 are subgroups. So here the sales account always goes under sales account. Just press enter, enter, enter and accept to yes. So in this way you can create the ledgers. Then after that we have the options balance sheet, profit and loss account. In the display you have trial balance and debug. So if you want to see any report from the Tally gives you on-screen reports also after making the entry of the vouchers. So this way you can do your assignment, that is Tally 4 accounting package. Now we will close the Tally with clicking on quit yes.